Hello, Bond Travelers. I'm Rohit and I welcome you all in this all new episode. You can see lush green paddy fields behind me. You can see by my side there are a lot of buffaloes. But to your surprise and to my surprise as well, this is the place where the history of India was created. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Takht Akbari. Behind me, this is the platform where the great Mughal Emperor Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar was crowned. He sat right at this platform to be crowned as Emperor of Hindustan. This platform is known as Takht Akbari and it is situated in middle of nowhere. There are paddy fields all around it. There are farmers working and there is no other infrastructure.
Takht Akbari is situated at Kalanur town in Gurdaspur district of Punjab. It is just 12 kilometers away from Dera Baba Nanak Sahib and Kartarpur Sahib corridor. It can be reached by setting your GPS to Takht Akbari, or if you are coming by public transport, then you can take a bus for Kalanur from Batala or Gurdaspur.
Now the question arises, why a great Mughal emperor was crowned at this place, at this makeshift arrangement and not at a fort or any palace? The answer to this is Humayun, the emperor that time, was died in an accident at Delhi, and Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar was roaming around with his forces and his mentor Bairam Khan in these areas. So Bairam Khan expected that there would be a clash for crown and there would be chaos in the kingdom. So he made a makeshift arrangement then and there itself here at this place, and he crowned Jalaluddin Muhammad for the Emperor of India, and he made this structure in these fields, and a great chapter in the history of India was created at this place. Akbar was not among the great warriors or great soldiers of Indian history, but he was a great ruler of Indian history. Akbar used Indian forces against Indian forces to rule India for approximately 50 years, and that is how management is done, and that shows Akbar was a great manager. The same Akbar who was crowned at this platform. He sat right here when he was 13 years old and he was crowned the Emperor of Hindustan, India. When this makeshift coronation platform was made, it wasn't made in isolation with beauty. It was made with this well. You can see this well, and there is some sort of water supply arrangement right in center, and it seems like the water was coming from the center and it was overflowing from this well, and it was going in all the four sides of this platform, and then it was coming through these structures. These designs are specifically created for a sort of fountain arrangement. When water flows from these designs, it looks good, and you have a drainage system there. You can see these pillars all around this structure, all around the platform. There are pillars. So these pillars might have been used in tightening the guy rope of a tent. It is purely my assumption and it is not written anywhere here, but it seems like a guy rope is being tightened from these pillars so that this takht remain in shed at the time of ceremony. Interestingly, if you walk 5 kilometers from here to the west side, you will reach Pakistan. Yes, this place is just 5 kilometers from international border between India and Pakistan.